Hello friends, welcome back. I'm doing another mini unboxing today. This is my first time buying from this brand. I have heard of it before. I've seen some review videos on YouTube. I wanted to check it out because, as with most of these things, how it goes is I got an ad for something real cute and decided I couldn't live without it, so here we are. I got these two dresses that are really cute and I wanted to see how they would look on me. I don't know if I'm gonna buy from this brand again, but we'll see how this little unboxing and mini haul goes. There was actually like a choker that I got, but they didn't have it, I guess, because I was refunded for it. So yeah, that was a little bit disappointing, but it's okay. I wasn't there for the choker, really. I was there for the dresses. But yeah, the website is called Dresslily and they mainly have dresses, but they have pretty much all kinds of clothes on there. I don't wear dresses super often, but these were really cute and edgy and, you know, kind of grungy, and I like that. So if I like these, I'm definitely gonna wear them. But yeah, let's unbox this. Unbag, I guess. Bag. Okay. Ooh. Okay. This is what it looks like in the bags. There is a third thing. I think I might have gotten the top also. But they're branded bags, and I mentioned this in some of my other unboxing videos, but I actually keep these bags because they're kind of like really nice. They have the zip thing, which is really good for storing stuff. So yeah, I do keep these bags and I like how they feel. I don't know, they're not like regular plastic, they're like really soft. I don't know. But yeah, wow, they have like all of their branding on here, so alrighty. Let's see. Oh yeah. This was the main dress that I wanted. Oh baby. It's black with purple and blue and pink tentacles on it, and it matches my hair right now, although it has faded quite a bit. But yeah, it's got a bunch of little strappy doos on it, so yeah, I thought it looked really cool. The fabric, I will admit, is a little different than what I expected it to be, but we'll see how it fits. Okay, so the other dress is, okay, it's the same kind of dress, but a different design. This one is black and like yellow, I guess, black and gold, and it has star and moon designs on it. I thought it was really cute too. Okay, and the third thing that I forgot that I got. Oh yeah, this is, oh yeah. Okay, I remember now. So the reason I got this is because of a Vessel of Blood video that I watched where they did a Dresslily haul, and they got this really cute gothy witchy bathing suit, and I really wanted it. It was really cute. It has bats on it and moons, so yeah, I also got a bathing suit, and it's like high-waisted bottoms, a lot of coverage on this one. I might be able to show it, but yeah, that's what the bottoms look like. It's really cute. Plus, like, honestly, I could see myself wearing this top as just like a top. Yeah. Cool. Okay, let me try them on. Okay, so here is the first dress, and I like it. It's pretty cute. It's very comfortable, actually. I was a little bit confused about how to put it on at first, but zipper's in the front, and then you have these ties on the side, and they come kind of like halfway done, so you have to lace up the rest of it, and then, you know, you just tighten it to however tight you want it to be and tie it. And the ribbons are actually really long. Like, my little bunny ears here, you can see how long they are, and I still have like all of this hanging off. But I kind of like it. It kind of gives it a nice like full effect here on the sides, and it feels really comfortable lacing it up, honestly. Like, oh, this side's tighter. Might have to fix it a little bit. But yeah, there's a lot of like adjusting you can do with it, so I feel like it's very easy to adjust it to your own body. I really love adjustable pieces like this, and especially like this design. It looks really cute too, so yeah, I really like it. The only thing thing is, like I said, I wasn't expecting this fabric. It is soft and comfortable, but it's shiny, and I don't know if I like the shine. I think I kind of like the matte, which is what it looked like it would be, but I'll still wear it. It's really cute. I might even honestly add like some kind of tulle or something, another layer underneath to fluff it up a little bit, because I like it when it's like fuller down here, and it kind of looked like that, more like that on the ad, on the listing rather, than it does in real life. Like it's flatter, but that wouldn't be too difficult for me to do, and I think that would look cute. But yeah, so far I like it. I guess let me put the second dress on. So here is the second dress, and like the first one, it's really comfy, and you know, you adjust some stuff when you put on. And so from first glance, they do actually look like the same dress but with a different design. But I did actually notice some interesting differences. So the first thing I noticed is that these shoulder straps are different. So on that one, first of all, they're adjustable. They are not adjustable on this one. They just come attached to this little ring detail here in the front, and they fit me pretty well. I feel like I could take it in a little bit, but it's not like a big deal at all. Like I could wear it the way it is now. But yeah, I think I prefer the adjustable straps, but at the same time I do really like this little ring detail. So yeah, that's cute. And then I noticed on the zipper tab, this also has a ring detail that I don't think the other one has. Yeah, this one just has a regular zipper, no ring. So that's another detail, but I guess it kind of goes with the look of the dress, like the design and everything, so that makes sense. The other thing I noticed is that the ribbons are actually different, and the D-rings that the ribbons are attached to. So on the other dress, they're actually bigger. This dress, both the rings and the ribbons are thinner. So here is what it looks like on this dress. Right, and then here's the D-ring on this one. So you can see it's like half the size of the other dress, which is interesting. And then same with the ribbon. The ribbon on this dress, the purple tentacle dress, is actually wider and like silkier. It's softer feeling. This one is thinner and rougher. Like one side is more silky and the other side is like a rough side. So that's interesting. Totally different ribbon. So it has like subtle little differences between them, which is cool. Honestly, I kind of appreciate that they're not exactly the same, but I do also really like this one. I do also like the other thing about this dress is, if you notice, it's less shiny. I like this fabric a little bit more because this is like, it's like too shiny, you know? I don't know. You feel me? I like this more matte fabric than I do this shiny one. Although this is a lot softer, it's definitely like nicer to the touch than this one is, but this one is still really soft, just in a different way. I don't know, I prefer this fabric for sure. I did also decide to leave out the rings on the bottom and not include them in my tie because I realized that's going over my hips already, so it's kind of in a weird spot and I don't want to tighten it down here. I only want to tighten it at my waist, right? That's like another thing you could play around with. You can like decide which ties or which rings you actually want to use and stuff. So yeah, I'm leaving the last row of them out because I don't think I need them. And I like how the ribbons sit on here more than down here, like the actual tie. So yeah, here's the other dress. Yeah, honestly, I did this haul mainly for the other dress, but I think I like this one more. Yeah, I just like the fabric more, and I like the little O-ring details. But I love the the tentacle design on this one. It's really cool. Okay, so those were the two dresses, and I guess I'm gonna try on the bathing suit. I don't think I'm gonna do the top and the bottom. I don't know. I'll definitely show you what the top looks like though. Okay, I did just put the whole thing on, but here is what the top looks like. I really like how it fits. Like, I don't feel like I need to do anything to this. I don't need to sew anything up. It fits really well. And here's the bottoms. I wasn't sure how I was gonna like this kind of wide, high-waisted bottom, but I do really like clothes and like pants that go over my waist because it feels really comfortable for it to sit there, and it's not bad. I like it. I like the little details on the side, the ties. So yeah, it's very comfortable, like, and it feels really good. Like, the material is honestly pretty thick, which is a little surprising. It almost felt like it was like too thick for a swimsuit, which is why I also said I could see myself wearing this as a regular top. But it feels like really good quality, honestly. I don't think this is gonna fall apart quickly or anything like that. And I love like the actual material, like the details, the bats, the moons, and the stars. They're like velvety, so they're really soft and they feel really nice, and it's fun to touch it. So yeah, this is gonna be great for the summer. I need to cut this off, obviously. Matches my back tattoo. Alrighty, so that was pretty much the haul. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know which of these pieces you like and what you thought about the differences in the dresses. Do you agree with me? Do you disagree? Like I said, I really like them both. They are both soft and comfortable, but I prefer the more matte fabric over the shinier fabric. I just think personally it looks better, but I really like them both, and I am definitely happy with this purchase. I was not really disappointed with any of these items, so that's pretty cool. I guess I know now that some things may vary in the dresses with like the fabric and stuff, but overall the quality seems to be surprisingly good, honestly. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please leave me a like, and if you aren't subscribed yet, I have other unboxings and haul videos and lookbook videos. I experiment with fashion. I do a little bit of dabbling. I also make different kinds of art, and I dye my hair, and just basically any creative endeavors that I decide to pursue. I also have some fairy wing tutorials, so check those out. But anyway, if you like any of that stuff and you aren't subscribed yet, please check it out. And if you like any of it, then you should subscribe. I hope you have a great day or night wherever you are, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.